Have you ever wondered about the mysteries of Mount Roraima? Known for its unique flat top, this towering mountain sits majestically at the intersection of three countries: Brazil, Guyana, and Venezuela. It's a geographical marvel, a point where three nations converge, a symbol of unity in the midst of diversity. While its geographical features are captivating, the enigma of Mount Roraima extends beyond these physical attributes. This mountain has been a beacon, a challenge, a mystery that has sparked the curiosity of adventure seekers from every corner of the globe. The allure lies not only in its striking appearance, but also in the secrets it holds. Its towering heights whisper tales of the past, of nature's might and majesty, and of the countless stories that have unfolded on its slopes. This towering giant of nature holds many secrets, but where did it all start? As we delve deeper into the enigma of Mount Roraima, we'll seek to uncover the origins of this majestic mountain. Mount Roraima, a natural wonder, has a fascinating history that dates back millions of years. This plateaued peak, part of South America's stunning Tepuy Plateau, began its formation nearly 2 billion years ago. It's one of the oldest geological formations on Earth, a silent testament to the slow, inexorable march of time. But the history of Mount Roraima is not purely geological. To the indigenous Pemon and Capon people, this formidable mountain has been a cornerstone of their culture and spirituality for centuries. It is a sacred place, woven into their myths and legends. They believe that the mountaintop is home to their ancestor spirits, and that the frequent mists cloaking the peak are the spirits protecting their sacred land. The first recorded ascent by Europeans didn't occur until 1884. Sir Everard M. Thurn, a British explorer, led the expedition. They faced a journey fraught with peril, navigating treacherous terrain, unpredictable weather, and the unknown. But upon reaching the summit, they were rewarded with a view that's unlike anything else on Earth, a landscape alien and surreal, yet undeniably mesmerizing. The allure of Mount Roraima, however, isn't just in its natural beauty. It's in the stories it tells, the myths it inspires, and the awe it instills in those who dare to explore its heights. Intriguing, isn't it? The history of Mount Roraima is as captivating as its majestic presence. Mount Roraima, a marvel of nature, has a story that is as fascinating as its appearance. Steeped in ancient history and unique geography, it stands as an enigma, a testament to the grandeur of our planet. Its formation, a work of art sculpted by time and elements, speaks volumes of its intriguing past. This majestic natural wonder beckons us to delve deeper, to uncover more of its secrets. From its mysterious origins to its unique geography, Mount Roraima truly is a testament to nature's grand design.